Hey there! Want to make this year's treat or trick spookingly interesting? Here is a Halloween special that can be the perfect fit. Let's get started. For this project, you will need a evive, some paper cutouts, an ultrasonic sensor, a servo motor, servo horn, LEDs, a resistor, ice cream sticks, a cup, foam sheets, corrugated sheets, pins, some cotton, a piece of cloth, a clamp, spacers, nuts and bolts, and some jumper cables. Take the cutout of the face and the body. Let's begin by making the face of the doll. Place the scary face on the corrugated sheet and mark its outline. Then cut the sheet along the markings done and glue the scary face onto it. Now to increase the spookiness level, insert red LEDs in the eyes of the scary face and bend their terminals. As both the LEDs should work together, connect them in series by connecting the negative terminal of the first LED to the positive terminal of the second LED. Now, connect the wires to the positive terminal of the first LED and the negative terminal of the second LED. Then fix the wires to the corrugated sheet. Next, take two ice cream sticks and glue them onto the corrugated sheet. Now take the other face and glue it onto the other side of the corrugated sheet. Now let's begin making the body. We will be using foam sheets to support the body. First, glue the foam sheets together. Next, mark an outline of the body on the foam sheet and cut along the markings. Now, make a slot for fixing the ultrasonic sensor by cutting through the first two layers of the sheet. Next, make a small cut near the slot to pass the wires. As we will be gluing the shirt's image to the foam sheet, make two holes for the ultrasonic on the image of the shirt. Then, on the back of the foam sheet, mark a line 6 cm upward from the bottom edge and fix the clamp on it. Now glue the shirt's image on the foam sheet. To support the clamp, fix 6 cm standoffs to it. Glue the body onto the corrugated sheet. To support the body, fix the standoffs to the sheet. Now, we need to rotate the head 180 degrees every time someone approaches the doll. For that, we are going to use the servo motor. Let's first set the servo angle to 0 degree using evive's menu. Connect the servo to evive servo channel 1. From the menu, select Controls, then select Servos. Finally, select Servo 1 and set the angle to 0 degrees using evive's potentiometer 1. Once set, attach the servo to the clamp. Now attach the servo horn to the servo head using a self-threading screw. Now adjust the ice cream stick so that the head is right above the body. Glue the ice cream sticks onto the servo horn and make sure that the innocent happy face is in the front. Now that the entire body is ready, let's make the hands for holding the candy can. Take a piece of cloth and place some cotton on it. Glue the edges of the cloth and cut along the center for making the two hands of the doll. Glue the hands to the body and the cup. Now that the doll is ready, let's move on to the connections. First, let's connect the ultrasonic sensor. Connect VCC to evive's 5V pin. Connect ground to evive's ground. Connect echo to evive's digital pin 3. Connect trigger to evive's digital pin 2. Let's connect the LEDs. Connect one leg of the resistor to evive's pin 13 and the other to the breadboard. Extend the LED wires. Next, connect positive terminal of the LEDs to the breadboard. Then connect the negative terminal to the ground. Connect the servo to servo channel 1. Now that the connections are done, let's try the code in PictoBlox. We will be working in PictoBlox upload mode. The program will start executing as soon as evive starts up. By default, the good guy or the happy face will be facing us. Thus, set the servo angle to 0 degrees. Now, if the distance measured by the ultrasonic sensor, whose trigger and echo pin are connected to pin 2 and 3 of evive, is less than 10, then the servo should turn 180 degrees and the scary face should be facing us. Now, as we fix the LEDs, we'll make it blink continuously, and after some time, the LED should stop blinking and the servo should turn back to normal. Upload the code to evive and get your doll ready for the trick or treat. This spectacular Halloween special. If you like this video, share it with your friends and don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Let us know what you'd like us to make next in the comment section below, and for more such exciting DIY projects, subscribe to STEMpedia and follow us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Happy Halloween!